Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today is gonna be a different one than my usual food recipes because I'm gonna share how to make homemade body butter. I really like this body butter because it's not as greasy as most of them. I'm gonna give you 2 tips on how to make a non-greasy body butter. And of course, it's still gonna be a very rich moisturizer because it's a body butter, but it's a little bit less greasy and I think it works perfectly. Also, I thought, well, Christmas is coming, so maybe it's a nice gift idea that you could make at home for your friends and family. So, without any further ado, let's begin. So, using a double boiler, I start by melting the shea butter at low heat. It's good to don't overheat the shea butter so that we can preserve all its properties. Once the butter is melted, I add in the vegetable oil. So to make a less greasy body butter, I suggest using oils that are light and absorb fast, such as apricot kernel oil, grapeseed oil, or jojoba oil. If you don't have neither one of those, then you can use another type of oil, such as almond oil. To avoid that your body butter is really oily, I would avoid using very rich oils such as coconut oil or olive oils. But that's completely up to you. Once the mixture is melted, take it off the burner and add the cornstarch, or you can substitute it with arrowroot powder or potato starch. This step is optional, but it will help make the body butter less greasy. Then, to speed up the cooling process, I decided to put the bowl into a bath with cold water and ice, but this is also optional. And once it's cooled down, if you have it at home, I suggest adding the vitamin E oil because it's a great source of antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. As you can see, I had it into capsule form, so I'm just squeezing out the oil out of the capsules. Now, I put the mixture in the freezer for 25 to 30 minutes. Then I whip it up using an electric whisk, or you can use a regular one if you want. If you have them, I really suggest to add in some essential oils. I chose lavender because I love the smell of it and it's so delicate. You can pick another type, just make sure it's good for topical use. Do not exceed with the amount of essential oils because most of them are not safe to put directly onto the skin. They need to be diluted with a certain amount of a carrier, in our case the vegetable oil and the shea butter. I whip it up a bit more and the body butter is ready. I decided to put it into my pastry bag to give it a nicer look, but you can also just scoop it up and put it into a jar. It's important that the jar is clean and completely dry, and then you can save your body butter for up to 3 months in a dry and cool place. There is no need to add any preservatives because it does not contain water, but it's just oil-based ingredients which do not promote the growth of harmful bacteria if they're not mixed with any water content. Anyways, this is the final product. I absolutely love this body butter. It's still a rich moisturizer, but it's not extremely greasy and it absorbs within minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this different kind of video. I will still post a lot of food recipes on my channel, but I was wondering if you enjoyed this kind of DIY videos too. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like always, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye bye.